All right, we're going to start off with the melody, learning Knocking on Heaven's Door. We're going to start in E position, so this is new. It's still for beginners, but I'm going to branch out a little bit. The notes are just B, and then that happens a few times, so we'll go over the phrase, and then A, and then G. Those are the notes, and we're using these digits, so we want to make sure we're comfortable with that. Hi everybody, Jim from Grassroots Piano. This is a video for newer learners, Bob Dylan's Knocking on Heaven's Door. I'm going to show the melody, and I have simplified the melody, so don't get on me saying it's not like the original. I'm making this accessible for adult learners, a bit newer. Even if you're just a few weeks old, you can do this. So melody, and then I'm going to put a very simple bass line to it. And then we're going to do maybe bass line and chords. I'll show you that. And then if you want, you can do some singing. A lot of stuff, but you can always come back to it. I did research on YouTube, tons of versions of accompaniments, but there's no one showing the piano melody, which I think is a good thing to do. So we're going to do that. Also, I'm slowing it down. It's kind of the Grassroots slower version, and it's going to be in 4/4 time. All right, but enough of that. So these are the notes, B, and then A, and G, and then A. And it's pretty simple. Later on in the phrase, you use B's again, and A's again, and G's, and then E's. All right, you can see on the screen, I'm going to start off, and I'm going to count out 4 counts and begin. We got a quarter rest on 1, and then we're going to do that 8th note. We count that as 2 and 3. I'm still on this, we got to learn music kick on the internet. You know, we can do it. 3, 4, 1. Half note. We hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next part's very similar, which I'll demonstrate with the left hand just to save time on the video. All right, so in the left hand, we are going to think G position. So we are branching out big time. My last few lessons, we were doing a lot of C positions, beginner stuff, but it's time, everybody. And if you're not ready, that's fine, because I have tons of videos where you can go ahead and do some more basic stuff. G position down here, for reference, this is my middle C. So we got G here. And we're going to just play on 1 and 3. So we're going to go back and forth. 1, 2, and then D. And then A. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. And then out C. So we got our G for a bar, then D, and then A, and then G. I'm going to play the first phrase slowly so you can hear everything. And if you're going to try this, don't get overwhelmed. Go ahead and break it down. I'll even go slower like you're sitting here and I'm teaching it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. So that is our anchor point, 1 and 3. We need to know that, especially if you want to get into singing. Okay, so when we get 1, 2, 3, this is coordination. So if you're brand new, you might do what's happening, and then that is okay. Smooth it out and keep practicing every day. All right, and if you're liking my videos and lessons, here's my speech. Hit the like button, please. Thanks. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play through the whole melody, and it's shortened just to save time. I'm not going to go through both verses. And when I sing, I might attempt to go through the chorus. All right, so I'm going to go through the whole thing kind of slow so you can see what I'm doing. By the way, I also picked this tune because our hands do not move to different positions, so that's a good thing. All right, for the readers out there, really try to believe in your B. You know that's B, you know that's A. You can see that I'm reading it, the music, okay? And if you're doing it by ear, doing that, that's good too, as long as you're hearing stuff, not just memorizing visualizations. 1, 2, demonstration, basic. 1, 2, 3. And then you can sing along if you want. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I was thinking about something. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's the chorus. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4. And then you can repeat that if you like. All right, so if you're able to get that down and just futz with a different hand position, that's awesome. The next section is going to be a bit more advanced. So if you're brand new and you haven't played chords yet, this might be too much, and that's okay. You can come back to it. All right, so here we are. We are going to play G chord in second inversion. And we're doing that because when we get to the D chord, we're just doing this. Through a little study, you can get this. And then after that, it's A minor. And then back to G. And then we have the D, and then we're going to the C. So we could just move it down to like this. And of course, with better fingering, Mr. Johnson, like that. All right, so if I'm doing 1, 2. Here's our really basic accompaniment. This is important, especially if you want to sing. I'll start again. Here we go. All right. You know, Bob Dylan, awesome singer-songwriter, but he had a very unique voice too. I'm just saying that to save grace. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't wear it anymore. And it's getting too dark to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. And 1, 2. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. You know, I should get a point for being brave. I was on another channel, great YouTuber, content creator, piano player. I can't remember the name of the channel. Piano Keys, Keys Coach. Anyway, he was singing in something. I happened to catch it, and I saw a comment where it said, "Please don't sing anymore. You sound horrible." Now that's not nice. That's not. Oh my God. That's another conversation. We are all a work in progress, and the best would say that too. All right, so if you're into these chord patterns, I have some beginning ones which you might want to check out. All right, and soon I'm going to be doing a very intro beginner G hand position exercises. All right, take care. Bye bye. And 1. I can't wait. What did I do? Oh. All right, so there I did because I was thinking in the original I think they do an A minor 7. Sorry, again, let's try it. Here we go. 1. Mama, take this badge off of me.